In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job in Canada through LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that connects millions of users worldwide. Whether you're seeking new job opportunities, networking with other professionals, or learning more about your industry, LinkedIn is the place to be. To kick off, open up your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in. This process is seamless if you use your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can enter your email address and password to gain access. If you're new to LinkedIn and don't yet have an account, it only takes a few minutes to sign up, and trust me, it's definitely worth the effort in terms of the networking and job opportunities it offers. Now, here's an important tip to keep in mind. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity. This is to help keep your account secure, so ensure your phone is handy as they might send a verification code to your registered number. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. At the top of this page, you'll notice several icons. Focus on the one labeled Jobs. This icon is your gateway to accessing a vast array of job opportunities that may align with your skills and career aspirations. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page filled with job listings. Now comes the exciting part: searching for jobs in Canada. Locate the search bar at the top of the jobs page. You'll notice a section where you can specify a location. Go ahead and type Canada into the bar designated for the location to refine your search results to positions available throughout the country. Once you've entered Canada, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will refresh your page and display a plethora of job listings available all over Canada. Don't rush this part. Take your time to browse through all the different opportunities that might be a perfect fit for your experience and skills. LinkedIn offers a variety of filters on the left-hand side of the page to help you narrow down these results even further. Use these filters to tailor the search to suit your needs, whether you're looking for a specific job type, experience level, or industry sector. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to kickstart your job hunt in Canada using LinkedIn. With these straightforward steps, you're opening yourself up to a world of new possibilities and potential career advancements. So go ahead, explore the opportunities,